I'm going to show you how to fix no sound in Premiere Pro, so if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So if you are trying to edit your video and you can't hear anything, I'm going to show you different methods you can follow to solve this issue. So the first one is making sure that your video or your clip actually has an audio track. So as you can see right here, at the top you can see the video track, and at the bottom this is the audio track. I'm going to make it bigger, and as you can see, we can see the audio waves right here. So sometimes when you drag and drop a clip, there is a bug where it doesn't import the audio track, so you can try dragging and dropping the clip again or try with a different clip. Now, after making sure that your clip actually has audio, we are going to check the sound mixer on Windows. So just go right here and search for sound mixer and click here. So I have found a lot of people that have this same issue where they go to the volume mixer and they have Premiere Pro muted. So you just need to increase the volume right here, and now the application won't be muted anymore. I highly recommend you to check this option because in most of the cases this is the problem. And the last method, if nothing worked, we can go to Edit on Premiere Pro and then click on Preferences at the bottom and go to Audio Hardware. Right here we will see the output device of Premiere Pro, so you need to make sure that you are using your speakers or your headphones, because for example if I use the microphone or any other device, I won't hear anything. So make sure to put your speakers or headphones right here on the default output device and click OK. And that's it. After following those methods, you should be fine with your audio. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.